Today we're going to be making this monster clam, which when you pull it, and then suddenly it opens again like this. So to make the monster clam, we're going to need 1 sheet of origami paper. I'm using light orange. So first, we're making a water bomb base. So we first diagonally fold in half, unfold, and fold in half in the other direction. Now, I'm going to fold this corner to the top, turn, and fold this corner to the top. Now, open the pocket inside here and squash it. You have a water bomb. Okay, now just take this and fold it into the middle, like this. Now do the same with the other side. Now there's 2 things doing this. Now you're going to take this corner and fold it to this point, and do the same. Now you're going to turn over and do the exact same thing on this side. Okay, now you're going to grab onto these 2, and push them together to make one butterfly thing. Now turn and push the rear flaps like this. Then you have a house. Now fold this flap in like this. And do the same with the other side. Okay, now you're going to unfold the first layer like this, and now turn. Ooh, it stands. Now you have something that looks like this. So here comes the kind of tricky step now. We're going to open this front layer like this, and you're going to find the 3rd line. So go like 1, 2, 3. So here's the 3rd line. So pinch it so that it becomes a mountain like this. Okay? Now you're going to bring this up. At the same time, you're going to close this. So there's something that looks like this. Now, unfold this flap, like open it, and inside reverse it. Something that looks like this. Now, repeat that with the other 3. So find the 3rd. So find the 3rd line. 1, 2, 3. There's the 3rd line. Raise this up at the same time. Close it. Next, you're just going to reverse this like this. And flatten. So you have a thin house. Now turn over and do same thing. So open it, see where the 3rd line is. Count 1, 2, 3. So you find the 3 and raise the 2nd up like this and close. Inside reverse the 1st flap. So then you should have something that looks like this. And after you've done 3, you should have an elephant nose sticking out like this. Same thing with the other 3rd one. 3rd one. Close it like this. Open and in reverse. Now you should have a thin house that looks like this. But You see how the monster clam has some things, and then when you open it, it does that. But when you use this, it doesn't open. See, it just goes like this. See? It doesn't go back to its normal shape. It goes like that. See? So what you do is we're going to fold two of these things, just two, and fold them air prone. Two things and fold them up. Turn over, find two, fold them up. These, find two, fold them up. I think that's three. Yeah, that's three. Wait. So you have some, wait. We have to make sure these are equal. So in thing like this, see? Have to be equal or something, then it will work. This one was not equal, that's why. So up, two things up, turn over, two things up, and two things up. Now you're going to turn this flap like this, turn over, turn this flap, so then something like this. Now you're going to fold two flaps like this, two flaps like this, turn over, two flaps like this, two flaps like this. That's just, yeah. This thing just keeps coming out. I don't know why. It just keeps coming out. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Just do your best. So then you have something that looks like this. Now, unfold all of them. Unfold all the reverse folds you made. Like, unfold all the flaps. Are there any more flaps still folded? I will take them out. Nope, we're good now. Now, there's 8 flaps on this side and 8 flaps on this side. 8 plus 8 is 16, so we have 16 flaps. We need 2. In reverse, like this. We have to do that for all 16 of the flaps. So I recommend doing it for 8 on this side first, all the 8, and then move on to the other side. But if you want to just do one by one like it's okay, you can do that too. They're both the same. Still get the right thing. So, just have to use this. Okay, now just 2 more for me. 2 more. Okay, this side is complete. Now we have to do this side. Now you have something like this. You see, but when we open it, you go from here like this. You see, when you open it, it just doesn't have, it's not really open really well. I mean, it does open, but it doesn't open really well. So you see these flaps we're holding kind of blocks it from opening. So we're doing a special fold, which we just fold this between these 2 points and fold this edge on the crease like this. See this crease made right there? We're going right there. So now we're going to fold from there, unfold, and fold it to the crease again. Now you're going to go on a hard surface and pinch these to make, so we just fold one, but then you fold the other one so they both go up to make an ear, a rabbit ear we call it. Now turn and fold this edge here, that edge there, rabbit ear. And believe it or not, we finished. So to use it, so basically we need to just pinch it so that it goes like this. That's how the monster works. You can help it, the model here. Click that. So when you do it, you open it like this. And if you pull it a lot, it'll go like that. And then to make it back, you just take it, push it in, and this fold goes like that. And then like that. Bye, see you next time.